So guys, for the first step, you're going to head it with search and type in virus and threat protection. Click on it. And then once you run this, under virus and threat protection settings, you're going to click on manage settings. And then once you run this, we're just going to turn off all of this. So you're going to turn off this real-time protection. And then click on yes. Cloud delivery protection, turn this off as well. Automatic sample submission, turn this off as well. And also for tamper protection, turn this off as well. And now for the second step, you're going to head it with search and type in CMD. Now you're going to run it as administrator. And then click on yes. And then once you run this, you just want to copy and paste both the commands, which will be down below in the description. You're going to copy and paste it one by one. So for the first one, we're just going to highlight it, do Ctrl-C to copy it, come to CMD, and then do Ctrl-V to paste it, and then click on enter. And now for the next one, we're going to highlight it, Ctrl-C to copy it, come to CMD, and then Ctrl-V to paste it, and then click on enter. Now once you've done that, for the last step, you just want to restart your computer, and then this should now fix your problem.